How to delete Viber account permanently. So let's see in this video. Before moving forward, make sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more videos like this. So let's begin. First of all, you need to open up your Viber application on your device. After opening up, you need to log into your Viber account, and after logging in, you'll be able to see the home page of Viber. So in order to delete, you need to first tap on the more option with 3 dotted horizontal line in the right bottom corner, and after that you have to go for setting option, and here you'll be able to see the various settings. So you have to go for account option at first, and at last row you can see there is a deactivate account option. You need to be informed that deactivating an account in Viber means deleting an account, so you have to tap on that. Before deactivating or deleting, you need to read the description over here. It is said that deactivating your account will delete all of your data, including in-app purchased item and credit, and disconnect Viber from all devices. It means deactivating account is like deleting your Viber account. It erases all the informations and chats that you have in your Viber. And after that, you have to enter your mobile number over here, and after entering the mobile number, you have to go for deactivate account option, and after doing that, your account will be deactivated or deleted. So by following this simple step, you can delete Viber account permanently. So hope this video was helpful. Don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe to our channel for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.